What's up, everybody? Lewis back again with another tutorial. This one's probably going to be pretty short. We're just going to be putting Bootstrap into the header section over here. And I think after this, you guys are going to really get the hang of doing this. For this video, I also changed my screen resolution. So, and that's in order to try and see if it works out better for you guys, so that it's more visible. But what was really pissed me off was the fact that this top part was just really lacking, because I guess we didn't do anything with it. So sorry for the delay there. And I also want to do a shout out to subscribers. We're at like 122 now. Shout out to Mark C. He left me a nice comment the other day. But everybody that's here is really cool. I see some awesome comments from everybody. And so I guess let's go about it. So this top part right here, the header, is going to be located in App, Design, Front-End Default. Then we go to our custom theme, Template, Page, HTML, and then Header. Now we could have used the hints code, but I kind of just already know that that's there. So in our header here, we have div class equals header, blah blah blah. Now what's included in this header that we don't really want to affect is the navigation bar, and I know that in Magento Community Edition this is definitely where the navigation bar gets pulled in. So let me see if I comment that out. That'll probably get rid of our navigation. Did I even refresh? Oh, I'm sorry. It's top menu. I think that was fucking stupid of me. Let me just double check here. So yeah, that part we want to leave alone. So let's go back here. And as you can tell, I'm not really scripting these tutorials, I just kind of freestyle it. If you tend to not like that, let me know if you want me to go through a script. I just kind of think it's cool to just go a little natural with it. That way I can curse and all that shit. So basically we're going to be doing what we're always been doing. Div class equals row, and somebody had pointed it out that row fluid had been gotten rid of. It's now just row, and I think I've used row fluid in past tutorials. It's okay. The main thing is row fluid used to be percentage and row used to be, a fixed width, and now everything is fluid. So or fluid meaning percentage based. So you can just use row now in Bootstrap 3. So I'm just going to end the row here. Row. Okay. So within this row, this right here is saying if it's the home page, then blah blah blah. Put an H1 with the logo. So what I'm going to do is put div class equals, and I'll make this 4 out of 12 columns, I guess. And stupid autocomplete. Okay. And then for the quick access part, it seems like it's already a div right there anyway. So we don't even need to wrap this in a Bootstrap class. We can just include call sm8. So this being 4, this being 8, everything's equal out to 12. I'm going to go ahead and save this. Now we're going to run into one issue with the search, I believe, but that's okay. Let's see what happens here. Okay, so search kind of collapsed a little bit early on us, which we don't want, and I believe that's because it has a, where is it here? Width of 600 pixels. So I think if we were to change that to max width, it should collapse like it did. It should just collapse. Oh, sorry, it should collapse manually. That's about iPhone size. So let me go to my CSS and change that, and that styles.css line 518. That's wonderful. Okay, so as we know, to get to the CSS, we're going to go to skin, front end, default, custom theme, CSS, styles.css, and let's see if that's over here. Yeah, 518, right? Okay, and we're going to change that 600 pixels to just the max width. Okay. Just refresh to make sure that my changes are legit. Okay. And there you have it. That's pretty much what it's going to look like around iPhone size. So now we have a responsive header, and that wasn't too hard. Hope everybody enjoyed it. Let me know what you want to do in our next tutorials. I was going to jump into some XML and show you some theming on that part. But if you happen to have a page that you want that you want to make responsive, then definitely let me know, and I'll work on that next. But until then, thanks for watching, guys, and hope to catch you soon.